Over time, dirt and grime builds up on your guitar's fretboard. Not only does this sticky residue look unsightly, but it also affects how your guitar sounds and feels to play. I'm Connor from Roundtable Audio, and today I'll show you how to clean a Rosewood fretboard. I've listed all the tools you need in the description down below. Before I start, it's worth pointing out that this will work for any darkwood fretboard like Palfaro, walnut, ebony, but it won't work for any finished fretboards or maple fretboards, finished or unfinished, so just bear that in mind. Start by removing your strings. If your fretboard's dirty, they probably will be too. Now's the time for a fresh set. Next, cover your pickups with some masking tape and lay your guitar on something soft like a towel or blanket to keep it from getting scratched. The tape is to stop any of the filings from the steel wool from sticking to them. Now take some lemon oil and apply it to the spaces on the fretboard. Then wipe the fretboard down with some grade 0000 steel wool. This lifts the dirt off while the oil conditions the fretboard. Again, it's worth mentioning at this point that this is only for unfinished darkwood fretboards. Now take a pin and scrape it under the fret wire to remove any of the built up dirt. I like to vacuum at this step to remove any of the loose bits of dirt and steel wool filings. Now it's time to polish the frets. I use the D'Addario fret polishing system, but you can also get specialised products like fret erasers. Polishing the frets gives them a bright, clean finish. Once that's done, I'll wipe the whole fretboard down again with a clean cloth to remove any of the excess oil and bits of dirt. While your guitar's like this, it's probably worth giving it a full clean. I've made a video on how to do that up here. Finally, you can remove the masking tape from your pickups and put your new strings on, ready to play on a fresh fretboard. If you found this video helpful, giving it a like will help it reach more people, and also consider subscribing for more guitar related content. Thanks.